Zach McGill with HSI Sensing. I'm the engineering manager and head up the product development team. We're here at IMTS 2018, kind of launching and demoing some of our new hazardous location sensors. So this is our spot on line. So we've engineered those for extreme locations, a hazardous location, and they carry the highest rating possible. So they carry the explosion proof rating for a class 1 Div 1 environment. So on that line we have the standard model. It's a steel sensor, so it's made to react to a steel target. So we've got a good reach out there with just your standard steel target. That way for automation, industrial controls, you're able to pick up just the steel arm on moving machinery, or you can sense a bolt and sense something that's already there. So that's kind of our bread and butter part of the line. Then we also have a couple different housing models that we've made. So we have just cylindrical mount for just simple industrial control, made 90-degree flange with 2 jam nuts. You can adjust that in and out to set it where you want. And then we've also got a conduit version, so that you want to bring hard piping, hard conduit to it. It's threaded 1/2-inch MPT in the back so that you can have the wires completely protected all the way into the zone. We go with a stainless steel 300 series non-magnetic housing. And then also we use a cement potting material. So it's very, very rugged, handles all the chemicals, all the different types of environments. So that's in the still sensing, that's kind of the main model that we launched, but then we also have just a regular proximity sensor. So it's made to just pick up a magnetic target. And so you go to that same type of sensor, the still sensing versions around 1/4 inch of reach. You go with a still sensor and a magnet, you can get reaches out to 3 or 4 inches if you want to sense something very far away. Our general proximity is made to sense about 1/2 inch to 1 inch with a magnet. And then we have something we've developed that's unique to HSI and not many people offer. It's called a BSL, so a bistable latching product. A normal proximity sensor is on when the target is there and off as soon as the target leaves proximity. What's different about the BSL, you can see it here, is it's made to change state. So it works really well like at the end of travel or a high limit. So when the target approaches, it'll trigger the states, but it will not change again until the opposite magnetic field approaches. So it'll stay latched even when the magnet's gone until it sees the opposite magnetic field, and that's when it changes state and stays latched in that condition. So it works really well if you want to know when something's past a certain point and not change again until it moves back by that point again. So that's kind of the spot on line, kind of covers the breadth of the still sensing, the proximity version, and the BSL, and a little bit about the rugged construction and the highest level possible that you can get in the industry. So it's explosion proof, class 1 Div 1.